So how can you create your own Copilot with AgenticFlow MCP? So this is very simple. Okay, you can go into AgenticFlow, and then you can go into connection. And what you need to do is you need to create a new connection. You create here, and you name it like a new AgenticFlow MCP. You choose transport, streamable HTTP. For the URL, you choose AgenticFlow.ai /MCP. For the header, you're using authorization, and then you are using a barrier here and your token. And you can add one more header. It's using X workspace ID, and then you just copy this workspace ID. So how can you get this token and this workspace ID? So I'm going to open a new tab. I'm going to AgenticFlow.ai. I'm going to back into my account. I'm going to API key. I will create a new API key. I name it like test July 29. So when I have this key, I just copy it, and I'm going back into this one. I will replacing this token with my new token. And this workspace ID is actually same with the one that I have in here. So I just go into my agent page. I will have this workspace ID. I copy it. I'm come back into here. I paste and connect. That's how you connect AgenticFlow MCP with AgenticFlow workspace of yours. And then how can you use it? Simple. Just equip that new July 29 Copilot. Just create an agent. The AgenticFlow MCP, for example, like this one. And when the connection have been correctly, then it show up all of these tools, including the new external MCP and search and get and other action that we have in here. And you just add this one, you paste the system prompt that I just paste in the Discord chat, and then you already have your new Copilot already. What I'm suggesting you is that you can try with Gemini Flash and GPT-4o Mini for the beginning. But in case that you would like to have more comprehensive and better model, I would suggest that you can use Kimi K2 Grok, which is provided by Grok, and this is super fast. I mean, one of the fastest model that I would say, and it's actually quite good as well with a very cheap price. Okay, for example, I'm going to a new chat. And I'm going to do another task, for example, like this one. This prompts. I'm just paste here. Okay, it will do health check. It will do some search. Okay, it will do some get external email. Okay, so it will start to create a workflow. It will fix the workflow. It will call the create workflow again. Okay, it's already finished creating a workflow. Okay, it even like tell me that I need to add my Gmail connection, your actual email connection ID, because if otherwise it's not working. So let me go into my workflow, and I will see if that workflow is working. Let's refresh. So this is a tech stock earning analysis and Gmail summary. So I will click here. You can see. So this is the first step. It will using a Google search. It will do another Google search. It will send Gmail summary. It's actually using the MCP action. And what I just need to do is just connect Gmail into this workflow. Yeah, it will turn into something that readable. And you can see in here, when everything is correctly, then the parameter will turn the color into yellow, which means it will take from user input, and blue, which means it will take from the upstream step that you can have. And you can see that there is some part in here. You still need to do some connection, but at the end of the day, after you finish the connection, actually is already finished your workflow already. Yeah, like this, and like this. Yep, so that's pretty much it on how you can build your own Copilot with an MCP server.